All right, hello, welcome to your video for example 2. I'm going to go to the next slide where it's a little bigger and then we will get started. So example 2 says female adults in North America are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 65 inches and a standard deviation of 33.5 inches. I feel like I missed a word there, but it's female adults' heights in North America. So we're talking about how tall they are. They tell me that my mean height, the mean is 65 inches. So that tells me right off the bat, right in the middle of my graph, we're going to have 65. And then they give us our standard deviation, which is 3.5 inches. So to get my heights, we're going to start adding that number. So we are going to do 65 plus 3.5. That'll give me my next one, which will be 68.5. And then we're going to add 3.5 to that to get our next 68 plus 3.5, I believe is like 71. That's probably not right. 72. All right, is my next height. And then we'll add 3.5 one last time. And that gives me 75.5. Now to go backwards, you're just going to subtract 3.5. So we're doing minus 3.5. Again, you're subtracting it from the previous number. So we're doing 65 minus 3.5. And that gives me 61.5. Again, we're going to subtract 3.5 again. And that gives me 58. And we'll subtract 3.5 one more time, and that gives me 54.5. Now, I don't really need those numbers in between, so if I want to, I can erase these just so you have less to look at. I'm going to do that quick. But that is how you got them. From there, we are going to label our percentages before we do anything else. So you can either double check your, you can either copy them down from your very first slide in this notebook, or maybe it was the second, or you can always figure them out pretty easily. Remember, between these two lines, you have 68% of your data. So we're going to have 68%. Again, if I cut that in half, that means there's 34 in each little segment. Between your next two lines, so between those two, you have 95% of your data. I'm just going to write it in red, 95%. Again, you would subtract 68 from 95 and then divide it by 2. When you do that, you should get 13.5 in each of these segments. And then in the last one, you have, sorry, I'm writing over my letters, 99.7% of your data. Again, you would subtract 95 from it, divide it by 2, and you should have 2.35% right here. And then on the outer parts, you'll have 0.15. All right, let's go ahead and figure out your percentages. So for the first one, let's do it in this beautiful orange color. We're looking for what percent of data is between 54, excuse me, I can't read, 54.5 and 65. So we're going to add up these numbers here, 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35, and that'll give us our answer. Let me get my calculator out. 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35. That gives me 49.85. For our next one, I'm going to use this pink color. We are looking for the percent between 61.5 and 72. So we're adding up all these numbers here. So I'm adding 34 plus 34 plus 13.5. 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 is 81.5. And again, these are all percents, so it's a percent of data in between those points. For my next one, we need the percent above 68.5. So 68.5 is here. I'm using this light blue color. I'm sorry, my highlighting's not great. But we are adding 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.5. Forgot a plus sign. When we do that, 2.35 plus 0.15, we get 16%. And then our last one, how much is below 61.5 inches? So 61.5 is here. We're doing below here. We ran into that same problem as our last example, where that gives us the exact same numbers to add up. So we have 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15, which is 16% again. All right, that is all I have for you for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teachers.